Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R740 server. In this video, we're going to specifically focus on power supplies. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R740 server. Do us a favor, if you find this video useful, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, we'll top in. This video is specifically focused on power supplies. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to start by going over the different sizes and wattage of power supplies. We're going to give you some general warnings to watch out for, and then we're going to show you how to install it, which is super easy because they're hot swap. So what are some of the sizes? Well, the normal sizes that you're really going to see and what's on our website will be 495, 750, and 1100 watt. These are the predominant sizes, and really 750 is the most popular, but there are some other kind of oddball options. There's a 1600 watt, there's a 2000 watt, and there's a 2400 watt. Now the 2000 and 2400 are definitely going to be a 200 to 240 volts, so make sure that if you have those, you have the right connection, which brings us into some of our warnings. So some of the warnings that we tell people is make sure you have the right voltage connection, because some of these can be 100 to 120 volt versus 200 to 240 volt. So you just got to make sure that you get the right voltage for your setup. And then the other warning we always like to tell people is to make sure that both of your power supplies are the exact same. You can't put a 495 watt with a 750 or 750 with 1100. So if one of yours fails and you need to get a replacement so that you can keep your redundancy, just make sure you get the exact same one. Otherwise you could run into some issues. So that's some of the warnings that we always like to point out. So now what we're gonna do is show you how to install them, which is again super easy because it's hot swap. But before we do, I'm gonna grab my ESD gear and be right back. All right, I have my ESD gear on. We are safe to work on our machine. So it's really easy to remove. Let's say this was a bad one. It's really easy to remove it. You're just gonna push the orange right here and hook your finger on this clip, and it'll just slide right out. So this is a 750 watt. So we need to make sure that we grab another 750 watts. So this is the 495, 750, 1100, and 1600, and we'll show you a close-up of those in a second. But we need to make sure we match them. So we're gonna grab our 750, and then we're just gonna simply line it up, slide it in, and when it gets right here, you'll actually see this will kind of clip into place. I'll push from this side to make it easier for you to see. But this will actually clip into place right here. And now you know it's firmly in there, so if I were to try to pull it out right now, it is firmly in there. But yeah, it's a really easy upgrade overall. It's one of the easiest upgrades or replacement parts to do for the whole chassis. So let's show you a quick close-up of some of the parts. All right, so here's some of the options we discussed earlier, the 495, 750, 1100, and the 1600. There's also a 2000 and 2400 watt options, but these are some of the predominant options, and really 750 is the sweet spot. We mainly build with 750 and 1100 watt. And again, when you go into our website, if you are building out a server, you will have the options for all three of these when you're building out your 740 or your 740 XD. So, hey, well, thanks for stopping by. If you made it this far, click that like, smash that subscribe. And if there's anything that you need at all, please email our sales team at sales@cloudninjas.com. We custom build Dell, HPE, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco. We do new, we do used, and we love the opportunity to earn your data center or your home labs business. Take care, guys.